Hello guys, my name is Ashish, and before we get started with this video, I just want to mention, till now we have learned a lot about Solidity language and you almost cover everything to get started with, okay? So, and in this video, I'm gonna discuss a very special method, okay? And that will be self-destruct, okay? And with the help of self-destruct, okay, we can able to destroy a particular, contract. We can able to terminate a particular contract from our blockchain, okay? So basically, when you call the self-destruct method, okay, then it's gonna erase or remove all the bytecodes of that particular contract from our blockchain. Okay, so let's take an example and understand the self-destruct method properly. Okay, so first of all, I'll be making a contract. Okay, so let's make a contract. As usual, I'm gonna take the name example. Okay, and first of all, I'm gonna taking a variable, okay, address type, to store the address of owner. Okay, so address name will be owner. Okay, so you can ask me why I'm just storing like that. Okay, because the thing is, when you call the self-destruct method, okay, it's gonna take a address, okay, to send all the balance of that contract to that particular address, okay, before get destroyed. Okay, so that is the thing, and here I want to send all that balance to the owner address, okay, before get started, before get destroyed to that particular contract. Okay, so that is the thing. Now let's take a constructor to initialize that address. Okay, constructor, and here we're gonna initialize the address of owner. Okay, so owner will be msg dot sender. Okay, so that is very simple things. Okay, now let's make a fallback function to handle the transaction, okay, without providing any data. So I'll be using receive fallback function. So receive, and it's an external type, so external, and also payable. Okay, so that is very simple things you already know. Okay, and now let's make a function. Okay, now let's make a function to destroy this contract. Okay, so let's name will be destroy. Okay, name is destroy, and it will also be an external type, let's say. Okay, so now the process is very simple. If you want to use the self destruct method, the process is very simple. Okay, self destruct, and here we need to specify the address, okay, to send all the balance of this particular contract before get destroyed. Okay, so that is the thing, and here I want to send all the balance to the owner. That's why I want to mention the owner address, but before that I need to typecast this to payable, okay, to able to send some data, to able to send some ether to this particular address and owner. Okay, so it's a very simple process, you can see. Okay, so now you can see that I'm getting an warning, and you can see that spelling is wrong actually, sender. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, now it's okay. Now let's deploy and understand the process. Okay, let's deploy it from this first account and deploy. Here you can see the success log. Okay, so now you can see that we have a function called destroy. Okay, with the help of this function we can call our self destruct method, okay, to destroy our to destroy this example contract actually. Okay, so but before that, as I mentioned, that when you call this self destruct method, okay, then first of all it's gonna send all the balance to a particular address, okay, that you mentioned. Okay, then it's gonna clear or remove all the bytecode of that particular contract from the blockchain. Okay, so that is the thing, and then it's gonna destroy everything actually, then it's gonna destroy the entire contract. Okay, so that is the process. So now let's first send some ether to this contract. Okay, so I want to send 5 ether, and I want to send it from my second account actually. So let's select second account, and let's with the help of low level transaction we can do that. Let's click on transact. Okay, I click on twice, so you can see that it's containing 5 ether. Okay, so now let's click on destroy button. Okay, when you click on destroy button you can see that the transaction is successful, and actually right now you can see the balance is 0. Okay, and if you notice carefully, the owner balance is credited with this 5 ether. Before it was 104 and something, and right now it's 109 and something. So that is the thing, and it's very simple actually. The process is very simple. Okay, when you call this self destruct method, first of all it's gonna send all the balance to that particular address that you mentioned. Okay, and then it's gonna clear all the bytecode of this particular contract from our blockchain. Okay, so in one word we can say that with the help of self destruct method we can destroy a particular contract. When you feel that your code is become vulnerable, then you can use this. Okay, in that time you can use this to destroy that particular contract. Okay, so that is a very special method we have. Okay, and that's all for today's video, and I think you enjoy it. So please do hit the like button, and bye bye, see you very soon.